Move-in day. Yeah, excited.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we just arrived
We're here.
our new apartment. I'm so excited to show you guys what we chose. So excited!
Look, you can see all the stuff in the back.
Yeah, we filled the car up. But anyway, welcome back to the vlog. This is, I don't even know what number this is, but this is our move-in day vlog.
It's Monday morning. There's no work because
Super Bowl
Super Bowl.
Sunday. Back home.
Yeah, back home.
We're gonna go inside now, so let's go. Okay guys, welcome to our new apartment. Don't mind the mess because we went shopping. So you guys guessed it, we picked Yuan Village. In depth, this is the kitchen. I really do love these chairs. I'm gonna put one in my vanity. And then we have the countertop. This is actually an oven and a microwave put together. So yeah. Micro oven. This is our stove, our main stove. We barely use this one because we have this hot pot Korean barbecue stove right here that we just use all the time. This is a refrigerator. It is energy saving. So it's brand new too. There's not much stuff in there. The cool thing about this refrigerator is that it has this like built-in small door so that you can just put like your easy access stuff. What I love about this kitchen is that it has so much freaking like storage space, and there's more like space down there and on the island. Then we walk over here. This is our guest bathroom. This guest bathroom is a stand-up bathroom. I love the inside of this because of the color, gray, white, very aesthetically pleasing. This is gonna be your guest room right here. It's perfect because it has the view here. And then we picked this as a guest room because it's right next to the guest bathroom. This is the washer and dryer area. Got all our stuff here now. This is the living room. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't mind the mess because yeah, we're just still settling in. And then the couch. I know you guys are probably like, it does not match the aesthetic, but this couch, we're just borrowing it for the meantime while our furniture comes back. But all these furniture right here are all borrowed from the military and we have to give them back. So except for the plant. This plant, we got it from Costco. I thought it was fake, but it's real. And then it's dark, starting to get dark outside, but this is our patio, lanai area. It's not as cold outside today.
No, it's not.
So, actually the first time I'm being out here. Oof. Our realtor was saying that during springtime, summertime, they're actually gonna plant flowers on those little ridges out down there. So, excited. It's gonna be pretty, I hope. Then as we walk back here, this is gonna be our office. I know it should be like the guest room because it's much bigger, but we like this to be our office because it's close to the room. Standing in one of the corners, but it's super pretty. And then, of course, you'll have when there's not that much fog, you can see like the sunset, and e.g. the one is over there. And we walk out. Don't mind the mess, but this is a master bedroom. Love this. This is also borrowed furniture right here, except for the these blankets. We bought these. But every furniture in here is borrowed from the military. And then here is our walk-in closet, guys. Here's my vanity. It's a mess because I unpacked everything. More closet space. Every room has its own built-in closet. That's why we picked this place. This is the master bathroom. So this bathroom has a lot of counter space and cabinet space, which I'm thinking of putting like towels, like baskets on those in these two cupboards right here. If I can find a basket. I couldn't, but I'm still in the search for that. We have a bathtub in here. It's pretty like large, pretty big, pretty cool. So you guys, if you guys guess UN Village, you were right. I know some people were like, oh, I hope you picked the third apartment, which is cozy. We did like the cozy village, but the only thing is they didn't have like cabinets or built-in cabinets, which is a really big thing for Sherwin and I, only because he really does have a lot of military clothes and equipment. Once all our household goods come in, that is very important. But yeah, we are home. This is our home for the next 2 years, maybe 3 if we decide to extend here. We'll see how it goes. So far, we're loving it. So far, hopefully COVID leaves and disappears, which probably won't because it's like normal now. Hopefully it gets better soon so we can actually take you guys to like Seoul or like more places. And yeah. Alright guys, well I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys did. Comment down below if your guess was right. If not, sorry. We love this space. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Bye babe.
Peace.